Hello there, Slaters. In today's video, we will be discussing about the most interesting and energizing topic. Slaters, tell me, what do you like to do after finishing homework and relaxing at home? I think I will get a unanimous answer for this question. Yes, we all like to play games and have fun, isn't it, children? However, it is also important to have a proper balance between work, play, and rest. Resting our body and minds help us in refreshing ourselves and be charged up for the next day. Slaters, all of us have different choices related to what we like to do in order to have fun. Few play games, others like to dance, while few others play music. Our fourth lesson in EVS is related to playing games. The name of the lesson is Games Are Fun. In this lesson, we will know and learn about games, why games are important, kinds of games, games in the past and present, and playing as a work. Now, children, when we have free time, that is the time when we are not working, then we usually involve ourselves in fun activities like dancing, playing games, drawing, painting, listening to music, or reading books. Children, enjoyment in the free time is called as recreation. These recreational activities help us in increasing our confidence and makes us happy and relaxed. In cases where children play games together with friends or family, it also helps in improving social skills like meeting new friends, working in a team. It also helps in strengthening the bond between your friends and family as you spend time together. Slaters, involving ourselves in physical recreational activities helps us in becoming alert and active too. Now, when we talk about games, there are different kinds of games. They are divided into indoor and outdoor games. The name itself suggests that indoor games are played inside the house and outdoor games are played outside the house, like in playground, stadium, etc. Slaters, can you name some of the indoor games that are played inside our homes? Yes, indoor games mostly consist of board and card games like chess, ludo, carom board, business, and many more. These games are great for your brain as it involves using strategies to win. Now, Slaters, can you name some outdoor games which are played outside? Yes, tennis, football, cricket are outdoor games. Outdoor games keep us active, healthy, and fit. Now, Slaters, have you heard of the games like Gilli Danda, Kabaddi, and Snakes and Ladders? Yes, these are some of the games that were played during the olden days. Playing board games was very common in olden times. The games, which consist of a board on which the game is set, are called board games. For example, chess, ludo, snakes and ladders, memory games, and many more. Slaters, do you all know that the game of chess, which is a very old game, originated from India? Yes, This board game consists of 64 checkered squares on the board with pawns, bishops, rooks, knights, queen and a king. Earlier, people also played games of finding different places from the atlas. Slaters, what is an atlas? Correct. Atlas is a book with pictures and names of different places. It has maps of different kinds. This game is really interesting and improves both your knowledge on places and your observation skills as well. You should try this with your friends and family. I am sure you all will have lots of fun. Slaters, outdoor games like gilli danda, hide and seek, lagori or pittu, kancha or marbles and hopscotch are games which were played in olden times. Other games like tokudubilla or pandi are specially played in towns and villages. Hide and seek, lattu, dog and the bone, langri, sack race, lemon and spoon race are also some of the games which are enjoyed by everyone. These games are a great way of improving various skills like eye-hand coordination, development of tactics to defeat the opponent, increasing social skills and many more. Now Slaters, few people take playing as their work or profession to earn money. Many of these people play their favorite game at national level and international level too. Sports is taken up as work by people who have the passion of winning in their games. Playing sports for the nation requires lots of discipline, dedication and strong will to win. Do you know some people who have taken up games as their profession? Yes, cricketers, footballers, kabaddi players have taken up games as their professions. Now let's have a game here. I will give out few names and you have to guess the game they play as a profession. Are you all ready? Great, here you go. Number 1, Sachin Tendulkar. Good, he plays cricket and is also known as the Master Blaster. Number 2, Sania Mirza. Nice, she plays tennis. Number 3, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Very good, he plays cricket. He was also the former captain of Indian team. Now who is the current captain of Indian cricket team? Correct, Virat Kohli. Number 4, PV Sindhu. Great, you all are correct. She plays badminton. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cool, very nice Slaters. He plays football. Excellent, you all have nailed it. Do any one of you also wish to take up sport as your profession, children? Very good. Do let us know too if you wish to do so. Slaters, you can write about which sport you would like to take up as your work. Also, write why would you want to take that sport as your work and what preparations you will do in order to achieve this. So Slaters, that's all for today's session. In our next video, we will read the lesson and learn in detail about the games. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.